first video. I created Project Kawaii to teach people how to do certain DIYs, trendy trends, and do what I love to do. I like to bake and make crafts. In my first video, I'm going to teach you how to make a classic bubblegum slime using glue, shaving cream, foaming hand soap, activator, and lotion. Hope you enjoy! To make your bubblegum slime, you're first going to need about 4 ounces of glue, foaming hand soap, and this is liquid soap with a foam dispenser, a mixing bowl, a mixing utensil, some shaving cream, and food coloring is optional. First, get your bowl and add in about 4 ounces or a half cup of glue. Then, with your shaving cream, add in about half of the amount of glue you have, so that'd be about a 1/4 cup. But since shaving cream is really fluffy and it's hard to measure, I'm just gonna eyeball this measurement. Then, add in equal amounts of your shaving cream into your mixing bowl. I'm also just eyeballing this. Then all you have to do is stir it all together. When you're mixing your ingredients, you want to be really gentle so you don't deflate all of the shaving cream and the foaming hand soap you put in your mixture to make it fluffy. After you mix all your ingredients thoroughly but gently, this is the time where you have the opportunity to add food coloring. You can always make your slime after you add the activator and color it so you can make more colors. But right now, I'm just going to color it all together to make one solid color. After it's mixed, you can just add lotion to make it stretchier. After you put your lotion in, you know what's next. It's time to mix. If you feel like your mixture is deflating after you mix in each ingredient, feel free to add a little bit of shaving cream to make it a little more fluffy. Don't exaggerate the amount and put so much that your slime becomes really tough in the end. After you're done incorporating all of your ingredients, you can turn this mixture into slime. You have to first add your activator. There are different kinds of activators, but mine is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of hot water. I dissolve the borax into the water and let it cool down, and I put it into this bottle. Just keep adding activator until you know your slime is ready. When the slime starts to pull away from the bowl, that's when you can get your hands messy and start kneading it to get all the lumps off and also make it into a smooth bubblegum slime. At first, it feels really tough and it doesn't stretch, but you just have to knead it so it becomes more stretchier and also more slime-like rather than big fluff of shaving cream and glue. When I stretch it, there's some kind of resistance, and that means I have to knead it a little bit more to make it smooth. And that's your final product. Now for some ASMR. sorry, didn't see you there. But anyways, thanks for watching my first tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this video of how to make classic bubblegum slime, because this slime is amazing and you should totally make it. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to be one of my first subscribers to this new channel.